To determine whether high-definition LASIK is right for you, Fendalton Eye Clinic hosts free assessments with a member of our technical team. We'll check your eyes, take measurements and discuss your focusing issues to determine your suitability for corrective laser eye treatment. We'll discuss the treatment options available for you to return to a life free from dependence on distance glasses or contact lenses. Free high-definition LASIK assessments are available with a member of our technical team in Christchurch, Wellington and centres throughout the South Island. Following your free assessment, the next step is to see Dr. Kent and the team for a full consultation. At this consultation, we'll conduct a more thorough examination of your eyes and design your personalised laser treatment. Every pair of eyes is different, and so is every procedure at Fendalton Eye Clinic.
Wavefront guided treatments are where the treatment is individually tailored to the optical system of that particular eye. So not only correcting your glasses correction, but any fine irregularities in the cornea as well. And more recently, we've had treatments that are customised to the individual shape of someone's cornea, the front surface of the eye. And the object of that treatment is to try to minimise or completely eliminate problems with low light vision, such as halos around lights, etc., night vision problems, and to make sure that we're delivering the very best quality of vision that we can give you.
At Fendalton Eye Clinic, we understand that your eyesight is very precious. We'll carefully explain all the options and make sure that you understand the choices available to you. It's also a chance to ask any questions you may have about the procedure and expected outcomes. Your consultation with Dr. Kent will take about 2 hours, ensuring that you get all the support you need to make an informed decision. You'll also need to be at least 20 years of age with no significant change to your glasses or contact lenses over the past 12 months. And if you wear contact lenses, we'll ask you to take them out for a period before your laser treatment. This time will depend on the type of contacts you wear. On the day of your procedure, you'll be at the clinic for approximately an hour and a half. You'll need someone to drive you to the clinic and drive you home. Fendalton Eye Clinic staff will guide you through each step of the procedure. You'll be awake the whole time. Eye drops will be used to numb your eyes, and although you're unlikely to feel any pain, some patients describe pressure or slight discomfort during the procedure. The laser theatre is temperature and humidity controlled with HEPA filtered air to remove dust and lint. Once you're comfortable, the first step in your high-definition LASIK treatment is to create the corneal flaps with the intralaser laser. There's little sensation other than a slight pressure on the eye. The doctor and staff will talk you through the entire process. Once the flap is gently folded back, the corrective laser treatment can begin the reshaping of your cornea to correct your specific focusing error. The speed and accuracy of the laser means that the actual reshaping takes less than a minute.
Within 6 or 7 minutes I was out of the operating theatre and sitting in a waiting room. I found that quite astonishing.
It was like 10 seconds later, it was like, oh, have you finished? Didn't feel a thing. It was great, it was amazing.
I guess I'd read about that the whole procedure was relatively pain-free, but the low level of discomfort that I experienced was actually quite a revelation to me.
Sort of within 5 minutes you go from needing glasses all the time to immediately being able to see.
There was no actual pain at all. I didn't feel a thing.
All it was just you go in there, you lie down, you look this way, look that way. A few seconds later, hey, 20/20 vision. Gotta love that.
And there wasn't any pain or anything to talk about. It was quite effortless.
And then I was just totally shocked at how quick. Like, it was over before I could even really think about whether I was getting it done or not.
Then it was over incredibly quickly and it was painless.
And the fact that I could read the clock made me realise straight away that my vision was repaired, and I was totally amazed.
At the end of the procedure, the flap is carefully repositioned. It reattaches within minutes with no need for stitches, and in most cases, normal vision returns by the next day. In fact, most people should be able to drive on the day following their procedure.
I sat in the chair while they checked my eyesight, and I could read right to the bottom line, which I found I was ecstatic because I knew that was an extremely good result.
No, I didn't expect it to be so immediate, and I didn't expect it to make my outlook on life so completely different.
Everything was sharp and clear, whereas before I couldn't see past the end of my arm, so, you know, it was absolutely brilliant.
Woke up the next morning, brilliant vision, no pain.
It was great. I could see pretty straight away.
To be finally free of having to wear some sort of aid to see properly was tremendous, and I still get a buzz every morning when I wake up and can see properly.
The first thing I did the next morning was I leant over to my bedside cabinet to grab my glasses. Don't need to do that. Didn't have them anymore. And I look around, I'm like, this is it. This is what I've been waiting for.
If you're outside of Christchurch, you can have your full consultation with Dr. Kent on a Wednesday afternoon, then laser treatment on both eyes on the Thursday, and a final check on the Friday morning. This allows you to return home at the weekend and back to work on Monday, free of distance glasses and contact lenses. If you're travelling to Christchurch and require an overnight stay, the Copthorne Commodore Airport Hotel offers Fendalton Eye Clinic patients a special rate, plus complimentary transfers from the airport to the hotel and all transport between the clinic and the hotel. Finance options are available so that you can have your high-definition LASIK correction when it suits you best. We can discuss these options with you during your initial free consultation. High-definition LASIK eye surgery is now a safe walk-in, walk-out process with a track record of millions of successful procedures around the world. Dr. Kent and the team at Fendalton Eye Clinic look forward to discussing your options sometime soon and providing the opportunity of life free from dependence on distance glasses and contact lenses. Why wait any longer? Make a life-changing decision and start enjoying the benefits of high-definition LASIK today.